Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look in the gold market. On the daily chart, market stands in a tight range, so very close to support line that could be treated as kind of the maybe neckline or something that sort. Although we do not have here very good shape of the hand shoulders, but at least some hint on this shape we have. And this is support line, kind of neckline here. So market's calling in a very tight range without any significant pullback here. So mostly we're still waiting for the hitting of the minimal target on the intraday charts on the daily of this A, B, C top. So on daily mostly everything stands the same. We are still watching for this larger A, B, C pattern. But on the 4-hour time frame chart, if you remember yesterday we talked about this setup. So we had that we said that no significant pullback will happen at least until market will hit major target, the COP 1283. It's based at the same ABCD pattern that we have on the daily chart. And also we have the butterfly with the same 127 extension. Suddenly market yesterday also turns to some pullback here. But the one important detail that we see stands in the speed of the upward bounce. Here and in this swing, the upward bounce stands very fast. So you can see the two candles here up and then pullback. Here we have more gradual and slower pullback. It means that the buyer's power is exhausting and chance that market will just continue move lower stands significant because, guys, COP, this is the daily target. Daily targets has advantage compared to the intraday charts because the high time frame is the more important technical tools that you have there. So monthly time frame has advantage to the weekly, and lower weekly has advantage to daily and lower, and etc. So that's why the existing of the COP daily target on the intraday charts works like the magnet, and it's overruled the other steps that you have. And from that standpoint, especially when we see the slowdown of this action compared to these pullbacks, makes us think that the chance on reaching this area is really significant. On the hourly chart, the reason how we could explain this pullback stands mostly in this ABCD pattern. So, and you can see here we have OP target actually in this point. So market has completed minor ABCD target, shows the meaningful retracement up. As you can see, very gradual and slow. And now we could get the action rate to the XOP that actually stands even lower. It's 1278 compares to this 1283. So it's relatively close, but still slightly lower. It also could be hit because if some stops have been placed here, this will be triggered, and that could bring some more selling power to downward action, or market could hit this area. So in general, our setup stands mostly the same. So we did not take the long position by far, waiting for a clear bullish reversal patterns. And in general, taking the long position in the current circumstances doesn't correspond to the idea of these patterns, AB equals CD. So we are mostly for retracement, just for getting the better price for taking the short position. And from that standpoint, that's our primary area to watch for. So we have talked about it yesterday. So this is conference resistance 13 even psychological level, and it's also weekly pivot point. But the scalp traders could think about maybe taking the long position if we will get clear and valuable setup around this area around 1283 when the COP target will be completed. But this is the first point that we are watching for, is dropping right to the COP, reaching of this target, and then we are watching for the pullback if it will happen, of course. So that's our short-term trading plan on the gold market.